Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Atlantis review. We are going to be taking a close look at Atlantis, and also, most importantly, I've put together some high value bonuses that would literally make you money with Atlantis. This goes live on the 30th of September by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. This is my bonus page. You'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. If you are coming from email, it means you would already be on this page, and then you can find all my bonuses if you scroll just right down on this bonus page. So this is put together by the Digital Dames, talking about Nanda and Paula Marie. So this is a traffic software. Now, you've come across a lot of software, make money online, internet marketing software. But the reason why I love traffic software is it basically solves the problem of traffic, which is the major issues people face when it comes to making money online, when it comes to affiliate marketing. Because let's face it, if we look at it critically, making money online is not too different from making money offline when you talk about traffic. If you have a company and you don't have customers, you don't have a means of reaching out to people, then you obviously don't have a business, so to speak. Also, if you have products, you've gotten approved for affiliate products, you have your affiliate links, or you have a blog, you don't have traffic coming to that blog, you don't have a business basically, and you're not going to make any money. Now, Atlantis is a software that allows you to drive some high quality targeted buyer traffic to any link. You want to send them to Warrior Plus affiliate offers, you want to send them to ClickBank affiliate offers. You can get targeted traffic in any niche to make money with affiliate offers. Now, I've put together some bonuses for you that will allow you to get traffic, that allow you to get conversion, and then allow you to ultimately make money with Atlantis. Now, this allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Instagram. Instagram is a platform that gets millions and millions of daily users and still getting a ton of traffic consistently. Now, this allows you to get a ton of traffic from Instagram. I'm going to show you how this works in a short while. Right now, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses I'm giving you. You're going to be getting from me, and then I'm going to let you see how Atlantis actually goes to work to drive you a ton of free traffic. You need to know how to use this, or else you might waste the traffic, or you might not even make money. But I'm going to show you how to do this in a short while right now. So my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to a whole funnel of my cloud-based software. This was launched with Jake in June, and this allows you to get a ton of free traffic to done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. So you are basically ready to go. All you need to do for ClickBank products is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, come to your profile here, save it to your profile, and then basically you are good to go. These are traffic pulling reviews. Now, if you want to put this on steroids, this has free traffic in it. You can start sending free traffic to your reviews. Now, if you want to put this on steroids, you can easily go use this with Atlantis to start getting conversion and start making money same day. Now, you're getting access to the full funnel of Octagon. So this gives you access to basically everything you need to make money with affiliate marketing without you having to write a single line of content. Now, also bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to another software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform where people come and ask questions, bothering them, and you have the opportunity without writing a single line of content to actually generate traffic from Quora. Also, bonus number 3, I'm going to be giving you access to 40 plus products you can actually give away with Atlantis to get a ton of traffic. Now, the cool thing is, if you're actually offering bonuses, this actually entices people to want to have something to do with you, to want to get your product you are trying to promote and this actually basically multiplies your conversions and allows you to make a ton of money. So you're going to be getting access to 40 plus high quality products to give away in order to get access, in order to make money with Atlantis. Now, also bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to my traffic software that allows you to use other people's video, and then you can actually place images in these videos, place links in these videos, and ultimately drive some high quality traffic to any affiliate link or any link you want to send people to. This is actually responsible for making me a ton of money promoting Warrior Plus product. Now, this is super easy, no content creation required. This works in any niche. Simply select a video. Now you have access to a ton of resources right there, call to action buttons and all that you can actually start using immediately to send traffic and get conversions. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software with done for you squeeze page templates. Now, when you're sending traffic from Instagram or any platform, what you ought to do is do not send people directly to your affiliate links, because you are going to be losing traffic that way. What you want to do is put your affiliate links behind the squeeze page, create curiosity on that squeeze page, tell people, build up their curiosity, tell people what they stand to gain if they give you their email. And then once they do that, they're going to get redirected to this affiliate link. And then that way, even if they don't pick up that product at that point in time to give you the commissions immediately, you are going to get those contacts. Now you can actually do a follow-up or even send them similar offers later on. Now, also bonus number 6, I'm going to be giving you access to some PowerPoint video templates. This allows you to actually get some high quality content out there without you having to sit down to create this content by yourself. This doesn't need any special software. All you need to do is load up these templates in PowerPoint, customize them, edit text, edit images, and then hit the export button to get MP4 video that you can use on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so on to get a ton of free traffic. These are actually designed to capture people's attention, and you can use this basically for any products, digital or physical products. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. Now, these vendor bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Atlantis. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Warrior Plus. Once you log in, go to your purchases, you are going to find Atlantis, and then you find my own bonuses right next to it. Now, all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of Atlantis, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the Atlantis software. So Atlantis comes in form of a Chrome extension. Now, I'm going to show you, let me just briefly run through the sales page to just show you what the sales page looks like. Software generates ripple effect inside $100 billion website, putting $516 of passive income in our pocket every day. So feel free to come check out the video presentation on the sales page. Once it goes live on the 9th, on 30th of September by 9 a.m. Eastern time, you are going to find proof of results right here. This is traffic that converts. Actually, this is some traffic that converts. So feel free to come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about Atlantis. So once you install the Chrome extension, which you are going to get access to, you are also going to find video here that show you how to set this up. Now you are going to get something like this, which once you click on it, so what you need to do is you need to go and target. I already started following. So let's say you need to go and target an influencer, someone who has a ton, or any account that has a ton of followers in your niche. So let's say you are in Make Money Online now. You can actually look for accounts that have a ton of followers in this niche. Or let's say you are in the fashion niche, you can basically go and look for an account that has a ton of followers in this niche, and this works based on any keyword. So let's just say weight loss, for example, and then I'm trying to see, okay, if you can get an account in weight loss that has a ton of followers. Yeah, this is not bad. This is not bad. So now click here, and then you can actually see that it shows you the followers of this account. Now I can just easily go and click on the on that icon right there, and if I click on start, it basically goes to work and it's free. You can see it just goes ahead and starts following this account. That's how easy it is. That's how easy it is. You can see it goes to work. It starts working on your behalf. Now, what's going to happen? Let me stop that right there. Now, what's going to happen ultimately is that it's proven already that these people who are following these accounts are actually interested in this niche. These people want to lose weight. These people want to make money online. These people want to learn affiliate marketing. Depending on the niche you are following, these people want to want access to law of attraction and stuff like that. Now you can basically decide to find accounts based on any niche here. Now, once it follows these followers of this account, what usually happens is they go and check to see what is actually happening. Who is this account following me? Now, all you need to do is the account you are using, you need to add a link. Now, you can easily go and create your own link inside the members area of 0 to 1000 here. Put your affiliate links behind the squeeze page. Add the link to the squeeze page right here on this account. They see your account, they are wondering what's going on here. They, out of curiosity, click on this link. They give you their emails. You build your own email list. They get redirected instantly to an affiliate offer. And once you keep doing that, this gives you a ton of leads. This is how I was able to build my first list of 500 subscribers. It gives you access to a ton of traffic and free. You don't even need to create content. You don't even need to do a ton of hard work to start getting free traffic. This is as easy as it gets when it comes to driving some free traffic. So that's how easy it is to use Atlantis. You get access to video that actually shows you how to set this up, how to do everything. Nanda and Paula Mori have actually done a ton of work right here to make everything easy for you to make some cool money on free traffic. So come check this out in your own time to get full information about this. I'm going to show you the pricing right now. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty low. And just take advantage of this opportunity to come grab your own copy. Now, this has protection for you, because people are probably asking now, what if my account gets banned? What if this happens? What if that happens? Basically, you don't even need to use your account. Simply go ahead and create your own, create another Instagram account. Basically create another Instagram account, and then you can basically go ahead, start using this has protection so that you basically don't get banned. Also, now the first optional upgrade is the Poison Unlock Unlimited Traffic Generator. This goes for $37. You get 100x profit. Profit twice as fast with unlimited and the highly advanced edition. So you get access to the highly advanced edition of Atlantis. Second optional upgrade is the Asgard Beta Test Entry, the ultimate complete launching package, but not your average launch, specifically targeted on how to achieve highly engaging magnetizing affiliate grabbing sales marketing plan on your launches. Expected to be pushed challenge to your limit to achieve 20k plus on your launch. Imagine getting even 10k plus, $10,000 plus on your first launch, which is amazing. Upgrade number 3 is the 7-seat income multiplier, and that goes for 37. Upgrade number 2 goes for 997. I guess you can actually decline, I'm not sure, and pick it up for 497. Now, upgrade number 3 is the 7 C's income multiplier. This allows you to get paid to post, sell team accounts. The opportunity here is off the charts. This goes for 37, and this is the 7 C's income multiplier upgrade. Upgrade number 4 is the Trident Advanced Strategies that allows you to instantly tap into 10x traffic hacks. Upgrade number 5 is the Neptune, and this gives you access to $1,000 days. Upgrade number 6 is Atlantis reseller rights. This allows you to sell Atlantis and keep 100% of the profits across the entire funnel. The final upgrade number 7 is the accidental income generator. This goes for 47, and this is the missing piece accidentally found out by our shy Atlantis team member. Pocket us additional $247. Didn't even realize that Atlantis was capable of this. So that's going to be my review of Atlantis. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.